If Jupiter suddenly disappeared, how long could Earth last? Although Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, the distance between Jupiter and Earth is about 700 million kilometers. Logically, it wouldn't have any substantial impact on Earth. So why has it always been referred to as the guardian of Earth? This takes us back to an astronomical event several decades ago. In 1994, billions of people on Earth witnessed a rare collision event in the solar system. Countless people were shocked by the immense power of the celestial impact. It was Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, SL9, discovered by American astronomers in 1993. The comet was enormous, traveling at 176 times the speed of sound. Scientists observed that when SL9 reached about 110,000 kilometers from Jupiter, its strong gravity tore the comet into pieces. These fragments formed a line over 5 million kilometers long. On July 16, 1994, SL9's fragments began entering Jupiter's atmosphere. At 3:30 a.m. on the 18th, the world's largest telescope recorded the entire process of the largest fragment impacting Jupiter. This fragment, with a diameter of 32 kilometers, released energy equivalent to 3 trillion tons of TNT upon impact. The most violent collision occurred at 6:30 p.m. on the 19th. The impact left a dark spot 30,000 kilometers in diameter on Jupiter's southern hemisphere, with the energy released equivalent to 250 million atomic bombs exploding simultaneously. Between July 17th and 22nd, Jupiter endured the equivalent of 2 billion atomic bomb explosions, leaving 4 craters each tens of thousands of kilometers long, several times the diameter of Earth. Imagine if there were no celestial bodies to block such comets. If SL9 had headed toward Earth, humanity might have had no chance to resist. According to scientific analysis, the outer solar system contains a comet belt made up of billions of comets. Due to gravitational perturbations from past celestial events, some comets often leave the belt and enter the solar system. Some comets merely pass through, but others, like SL9, get captured by planets or crash into them. If Jupiter suddenly disappeared, Earth would have little immediate impact. However, in the long term, without this layer of protection, the probability of Earth being hit by comets would increase significantly. Any comet striking Earth could wipe out all life. The fact that life on Earth has thrived and evolved over billions of years is not only due to the stable Earth-Sun and Earth-Moon systems, but also because of every planet in the solar system. The absence of any one of them could mean a drastically different Earth, and the same goes for humanity. If we compare a family to a star, each member is like a planet orbiting around it. Every family member influences and attracts one another. Without any one person, the family would no longer be complete.